Most appliance repair business owners are losing money right now and they don't even know it. And it's not because they're bad at repairs, it's because they're running their business like it's 2015. So in this series, I'm going to show you exactly how AI and your appliance repair business can help empower it, power it, and you can scale and grow your business without hiring more people. Welcome to the Appliance Boss channel. What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Marcus the Money Man, the Appliance Boss. And if you own an appliance repair business or you're trying to scale one, this series right here is for you. So AI Appliance Bosses, we're going to be growing them through this video series and through this channel. I'm going to change how you look at AI in your business, maybe give you some good, exciting tips that you can use straight away. But today we're gonna keep it simple. So no tech talk, just straight business. Let's break this down real quick. AI is not robots fixing appliances. AI is not replacing technicians. AI is simply this. It's software that can think. It can respond. It can automate like humans can, but faster. And it's 24/7. So that's it. So instead of thinking AI is complicated, think AI as a digital employee that never sleeps. Although you have this digital employee that never sleeps. Now, here's where people go wrong. It is not like a magic button that's gonna fix your entire business. It is not a replacement for a skill or training that you don't have. And it's something, definitely is not something that only big companies can use. So you gotta think, it is important if your business is like disorganized, like right now, AI is not gonna fix that at all. But if you already have a system in place, AI can amplify and multiply whatever you got going on right now and make it so much better. Let me show you where most appliance repair companies are losing money right now. So it's a couple of things. Missed call, slow to follow up on your calls or follow back up with customers, poor scheduling. There's no systems for reviews. There's no consistency in sales. And here's the problem. Most owners think that they just need more calls, but that's really not the issue, because if you get more calls and you're not handling the ones right that you already have, then you're losing the calls that you already have. So you're just going to get more calls just to do the same thing. So these are typically where you're going to benefit the most from AI today. Real example. Here's how it fits into our business today. So we have our AI answering system. So if somebody calls in and we're not available, it rolls over to the AI and they can even attempt to book the call. It follows up with text messages for our warranty customers, automatically, reminders, and then also too, it can send out estimates and invoice reminders, things of that nature. So all these things that you do on a natural day-to-day where human error can be involved, that's where the meat and potatoes of AI can be. So when we're talking about scheduling, optimizing routes, so that's a big one that we put into place right now, so we can clearly see on everybody's route. With AI now, it shows us whether or not we want to move a call to another technician or not. So it's real good. Now, a simple thing that we've been using for months now is the review. So every customer that comes in and leaves us for a review, obviously we have it integrated with iWallet. So we ask for the review there, but AI can also follow up for those customers that didn't leave the review. And every customer that leaves the review, AI can respond to the reviews. So, and that's what's been going on within our business right now. So one of the key things that slows down some of your businesses, and just like ours, is the follow-up when it comes to estimates, so we can close more jobs. So if you're not sending out an estimate every single time in your appliance repair business, you're leaving money on the table. Time and time again, we would go out to a customer, they may say, I don't think I'm going for it, and you never send an estimate. These customers either call back changing their mind, and you're slow to the game to respond. But when you send out an estimate and you want the customer to review the estimate, get a physical copy, and if they say no at that time, then they can decline it. But with this, you put it in the workflow that's automatic, that people can follow up with, that the AI can be a part of. So that way you understand that every single valuable dollar estimate that goes out is going to be followed up on, and the customers don't feel like they were just left abandoned. So instead of hiring multiple people to do all these positions to only focus on these different tasks, you can build this system around AI with your current staff that works best for you. Now, we all know this in appliance repair businesses. If you don't know this, one of the biggest problems that we see is the opportunity to book a call. So when a customer calls in, there's no answer, they call the next customer directly. So there's no hesitation when it comes to appliance repair, right? They may leave a voice message, right? If you have something that says please text, they may hang up and text. However, that's $200 to $500 gone instantly, right? Because in this game, they're just gonna go to the next one in the Google listings. So, but imagine now that every call gets answered, every lead gets followed up with, every job that you go out on, you get a review request. So there should not be a reason, especially if you're doing anywhere from 5 calls a day, that you do not go a full year and not have 100 reviews within your business, okay? So AI helps you achieve that. Now, it doesn't replace your team, okay? It makes your team more efficient. Now, if you take anything away from this video, AI is not about technology, it's about control. So control of your leads, control of your schedule, control of your revenue. The companies that learn this early on, they're gonna dominate the markets, bottom line. And this is just the beginning. In the next episode, we're gonna talk more in depthly about something that's probably costing you thousands of dollars every month, the missed calls, and how AI can fix that instantly. If you're an appliance repair business owner and you wanna grow, follow this channel because I'm breaking all of this down step by step, in addition to all the other content that we have on ApplianceBossCourse.com. You can join our free community or find our free community at portal.appliancebosscourse.com. This is Marcus the Money Man, the Appliance Boss. Let's build better businesses together.